Here's a few pieces of lower grade Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, materials wetted. Consequently, the white that you're seeing there is a reflection of the lights on the water. Okay, first piece. Picture type stone. Some colour. A bit undulating. Blues down the bottom there. This is the end of a or a nut or from Koroit. Hard to tell the difference, something like that, but just a nice pattern. If you like pattern material, not a lot of colour in it. Purples and greens. It's got some mud on the top, but whether it will polish is hard to say. This last piece has got a bit of mud still on the top of it. Basically potch and colour. Mostly potch. They are what they are, and the price reflects quality. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.